This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shauna Calvert. New Park Square home with oversized 100 waterfront lot on lagoon with direct access to the bay. Wait until you see this house. The luxurious Florenzo floor plan offers stunning upgrades and open living areas throughout the home. Flex room in the front of the house is great for a home office, den, or could be made into fifth bedroom if you needed it. Elegant formal dining is ready for your everyday meals or entertaining guests. Striking marble kitchen offers walk-in pantry, cooking island with sink for all your prep space, double oven, island with room for bar stools for extra seating too. Breakfast nook just off the kitchen. Bright and spacious great room just off the kitchen. Massive master suite with large bedroom and oversized walk-in closet. Master bath has it all with 2 sinks, vanity area, grand shower and soaking tub to relax with your favorite book to unwind. Secondary bedrooms all have walk-in closets and are generously sized. Covered lanai too for you to enjoy the Florida sunshine outdoors, take in the water views. MiraBay is the premier waterfront location in Apollo Beach. Gated community, tons of events year-round, pool with slide, pool cafe, fitness center, tennis courts, basketball courts, clubhouse for events and waterfront access within the community too. Come see why MiraBay is so popular. Pool and dock plans available. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Calvert at 509-294-6818.